A very good morning, dear patriots. On the eve of 74th Independent Day of our country, we remember the events that took place for the freedom of India, the struggles of people for 2 centuries under British rule. In this period, the nation underwent a lot of events which made our freedom fighters anxious for a better future that we are witnessing today. The events being the massacre of Jallianwala Bagh, the faulty land settlements only benefiting the crown, and other endless plights. But finally, we gained freedom. Gandhiji once quoted, "Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the breath of life." This quote means that freedom cannot be bought by money because it is priceless. And it is also as important as the breath we breathe. Today was the day that our leaders stepped into the last step for freedom. On this day, people were eagerly waiting for the government to declare India as independent and sovereign country. Today was the day where a dream of freedom was to come true. And this was only because of the martyrs who sacrificed their lives for our freedom. Now we must promise to remember those sacrifices and be bright future leaders who will work all harder to make India a better India and then the best India of all times. Thank you and Jai Hind.